First ever POV on Vilde Hønsejagt at Djurs Sommerland. He tried to do high five with the camera. Sorry, I can't.
I did it.
You did? Okay, good. Here we go. I think we did 2 laps on this one. Woo! That was a better drop than I expected. I always think these little coasters are more surprising than you expect. Sorry for the flash there, guys.
Just taking a picture.
Yes. 2 rounds, 2 rounds. Love this train. It looks great. This is a back row, by the way, if you didn't see that. Now we're gonna have party. Nice. Yeah, one more time. They were waving to the camera there. As we would say in Swedish, or when we talk off camera, when we talk Swedish, me and Sarah would say, "Det här var en fin berg- och dalbana." Which basically means, that's a nice roller coaster. And there we go, guys. I'm not gonna film the station once more, but that was fun.